What are the key characteristics of a white-winged scoter? Have you ever spotted a large sea duck and wondered what it is? Today, we are focusing on the white-winged scoter, a fascinating waterfowl species. So, what are the key characteristics of this unique bird? The white-winged scoter is a sizable duck, measuring between 19 and 24 inches in length. Males typically weigh between 3.0 and 4.7 pounds, while females range from 2.1 to 4.3 pounds. Their wingspan is about 31.5 inches, giving them a robust appearance. Adult males are striking with their velvety black feathers. They have a distinctive small white marking shaped like an upturned comma around there. Additionally, you will notice bold white patches on their wings, specifically on the greater coverts and secondary flight feathers. Their bill is quite impressive as well, being bright orange to red with a prominent bulbous black knob at the base. In contrast, females and immature males sport a deep brown plumage. They have less distinct white patches near their eyes. Their bills are grayish-black, which helps differentiate them from the males. Juveniles resemble females but often have more noticeable white facial patches and a mottled white belly. When these ducks take to the sky, the white secondary flight feathers become visible, creating a beautiful display. However, these patches may be hidden when they are swimming. Males take about 3 years to reach their definitive adult plumage, so younger males appear browner and have reduced eye markings. The facial patterns of females can vary. Younger birds often show conspicuous white spots around their eyes, while adults may look uniformly chocolate brown during winter months. The white-winged scoter's call is quite distinctive, consisting of soft whistles and guttural croaks. These sounds can be heard as they communicate with each other. Ecologically, this species dives underwater to feed, often holding their breath for over a minute. They forage for mussels, crustaceans, and insects depending on the season. During breeding, they prefer northern lakes, while in winter, they migrate to coastal waters, often traveling in small flocks. The bold white wing patches and unique bill shape are important for identification among their species. These features aid in mate recognition and social interactions during migration and breeding seasons. Their diving ability and diet reflected their adaptation to aquatic life, showcasing their skills in both foraging and flight. So, the next time you see a large duck with striking features and unique calls, you might just be looking at a white-winged scoter.